YouTube fam? Once a week on my channel, I'm going to be trying out some new ideas, some concepts, some fills, grooves, whatever I'm feeling. Also going to be doing some covers. I figured it'd be a cool way to show you guys some things that I do, and we're going to start off with the Swiss Army Triplet Blast. Alright, so the blast is really simple. Everyone knows a couple blasts. You have your open-handed blast. You have your Euro blast. But I've came up with an idea of a blast called the Swiss Army Triplet Blast. It's a Swiss Army triplet, which is played flam, right, left. Flam, right, left. When you bring that up to speed, it starts to sound like a roll. And what I've devised is... Take the right hand and switch it over to something else. Really high speeds, it sounds like you're doing something really technical, but you're really not. Now, as all blasts go, it's all about the feet. Right there, I'm doing a scrape, which is hitting the cymbal and the snare as the right. So I'm hitting the cymbal and the snare as the flam. Then I'm coming over to the snare. Play the blast in context.